Hey guys, I'm absent again today. Today I'm at an FFA contest in Beloit. So today is a work day for you for your presentations. So the very first thing I want you to do is to choose what topic from Food Inc. you want to research. So there were lots and lots of things that were covered in Food Inc. One of them could be Monsanto, and Monsanto is a pretty big topic, so maybe you could just do like Roundup Ready crops, or you could do seed saving. Um, you could probably do Monsanto overall, but it'd be a pretty big topic. You could do food labeling, you could do ethical treatment of food animals, which means like we're going to raise them in order to eat them. You could talk about small organic farms. You could talk about the benefits of large organic production. You could talk about how healthy food is expensive and unhealthy food is cheap. You can talk about veggie libel laws. Remember how Oprah Winfrey was sued for talking badly about the Beef Council and mad cow disease. You could talk about how food or food is more expensive than medicine, or maybe people have to choose medicine over healthy food, vice versa. You could talk about illegal immigration. You could talk about meat packing plants, feedlot operations. I mean, there are so many options. Choose something that's interesting to you, though, or maybe it upsets you a little bit when you watched it. And then I want you to get on Classroom and claim your topic because I don't want to watch a whole bunch of the same one. And then what you need to do is you need to find 3 sources on each side of the issue. So if you choose Roundup Ready crops, you would find 3 sources that say Roundup Ready crops are great. And you would find 3 sources that say Roundup Ready crops are not so great. And you could speak to a person. Like I mentioned before, Mr. Wagner would be a good source of information on anti-Monsanto. But if you do that, maybe you would see, hey, can I record a little video of you, a little statement about your thoughts on Monsanto? I expect this to be a really nice presentation. This is going to be an essay grade. So you can use whatever platform you want, whether that's Prezi or Google Slides. If you use Google Slides, though, you're going to have to dress that thing up because those are pretty plain and pretty boring. So you're going to have to do a lot more work as far as making it look pretty. You're going to need pictures, charts, videos, links, all sorts of things because this is a really intensive, I should say, assignment. So you need to be really looking at this information. Let's see, what else do you need to have? You need to have an MLA works cited page, MLA formatted works cited page. You've had to do those before. So on a slide, you will have to have everything. And that means not the URLs to things. We're not just copying and pasting that. You're going to have to get on a citation machine or something like that and cite those sources correctly. Got to have it formatted correctly, just like you would for a research paper, because this is the equivalent to a research paper. I am going to give you some time to do this, but don't waste the time in class. That means no YouTube videos, no sleeping, no games. Don't be on your cell phone. Cell phones go in the pocket. I'm looking at you. Use this time to work, really research stuff and trying to figure out what in the heck is right and what is wrong in this. You are going to come to your own conclusion on this, and guess what? It might be different than Food Inc., and that's okay. And it might be different than what I said or what Mr. Wagner says, but that's okay. The whole idea behind this is that you are going to become an informed person. You are going to take the time to research something before you come up with your opinion on a matter. This is not a Twitter post. This is not a Facebook headline. This is some research that you're actually putting into to be an informed person and an informed consumer. So you need to use this time. I will have my phone on me, so if you need my help, email me, or if you have my number, you can text me, but then make sure you put your phone back. But I think you guys can figure it out. You guys are almost done with your senior year now, so stay focused, work. You have today. Work as much as you can. And then when I get back on Friday, we'll look at everything, see where you are, reevaluate. But don't show up on Friday with nothing. That's not going to be a good deal if you do that. So the other thing I want you to do is go ahead and just immediately share your presentation with me or add me to it so that, hey, I can see if you're working or not. If you don't add me to it, then I'm going to assume that you did nothing and you'll probably get 0 points for today. So don't do that. Use your time, work well. You can ask each other questions. You can ask me questions. You can ask Google questions. Be a good source. Wikipedia, probably not the most reliable source. However, I wouldn't weed it out completely. Ha, do you see that? Weed. Ha! Food Inc. I want you to find a variety of different sources, okay? So have fun with this. Learn some new stuff. And I'll be back around the end of 4th block probably. If not, I'll definitely be here for ELO. So hopefully I'll see you in the hall. If I don't, then have a really great day and I will see you on Friday.